Puspasari. I'm from the Faculty of Tarbiyah, Islamic Religious Education Study Program, 4th semester. Here I will explain about conditional sentence and subjunctives. A. Definition of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a type of sentence that states a condition and the outcome of that condition occurring. Conditional sentences are made up of a dependent clause and an independent clause. The formula of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence dependent clause if plus condition. Independent clause result or consequence. Examples of conditional sentence. 1. If I say no, I can go on vacation. The dependent clause is if I say no. The independent clause is I can go on vacation. Number 2. You can have dessert if you finish your homework. The dependent clause is if you finish your homework. The independent clause is you can have dessert. Effective types of conditional sentence. There are few different kinds of conditional sentence in English. They are a zero conditional. A zero conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a fact or simple implication. The formula if plus simple present or simple present. Example of zero conditional. Example, if it rains, this gives wet. If you stare at this sun, your eyes damage. If you touch a flame, you burn yourself. B. First conditional. The first conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses things for events that might occur in the future. The formula if plus simple present, simple future tense. Example of first conditional. If it rains, I will not fly outside. C. Second conditional. The second conditional is when the result of the condition has no or little chance of being realized because the condition is impossible to fulfill in the present of the condition is difficult to fulfill in the future. Example of second conditional. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. The third conditional is when the result of the condition is unlikely to be realized because the condition must have been met in the past. The formula rumusnya if plus past perfect would or should or could or might plus have plus past participle. Example of third conditional. Number 1. If you had remembered to invite me, I will have attended your party. E. Negative if plus condition. If the students do not understand, they will raise their hand to ask. B. Subjunctive. Number 1. Definition of subjunctive. The subjunctive is a form in English that is relatively rare but is structurally very simple. For example, in this sentence, I suggest that take the matter to the proper authorities. Take is the subjunctive. Number 2, using the subjunctive. The subjunctive is generally Number 2 is using the subjunctive. The subjunctive is generally used when talking about something that might or might not happen. That could be something that the speaker wants us for speech or imagination. The following are more examples of subjunctive. If I were king, there would be no more famines. The chairman requests that all members of the board be present at the meeting. Number 3, form of the subjunctive. The structure that the subjunctive text is generally as follows: subject, I, verb, the mind, that object, his subjunctive, provide. For how to use subjunctive. Another whether is size as will, in which that is preceded by an experience rather than the verb. The following are more examples of the same. If I were you, I would take a stand on the issue. Lalu, if her were not so intelligent, I would have tried him for this insolence. And I wish he weren't so dull. Thank you.